Hi, my name is Annalise Friend and I'm the owner of Upward Dog. I sell the best ethical and eco yoga gear on the planet, and I'm here to support you with your embodied practice. Upward Dog is an official stockist of Manduka products, including the legendary Manduka Pro, which has a lifetime guarantee to support you in your practice. We have sustainable cork blocks, straps, yoga mat sprays, all of the yoga accessories that enhance your practice. So if you're looking for tested, ethically sourced yoga gear, please connect with me. I'd love to support you on your journey.